Welcome to EIC Targets, a Norwegian life science company dedicated to revolutionizing diagnostic imaging with our MRI contrast agent mangafodipir. Since our inception, we have secured 5 million euros in private and public funding, enabling us to advance the repurposing of mangafodipir for a cardiac indication. Recently, we have completed a successful animal study. We have initiated a phase 2 proof of concept trial, and we have filed 2 new patent applications. Our vision is to make the product available globally, enabling clinicians to select better treatment solutions for very large groups of cardiac patients.
Cardiac magnetic resonance imaging with today's contrast agent do not provide information about calcium influx or interstitial fibrosis, which is the 2 main determinants of myocardial stiffness in heart failure. Mangafodipir is a manganese-based contrast agent which targets manganese ions to the calcium channels and provide strong intercellular contrast in proportion to calcium influx. In the gadolinium-enhanced image to the left, there is a white area which is a scar in the inferior wall, but the rest of the heart does not contain any information about pathology. In the manganese-enhanced scan to the right, there is extensive interstitial fibrosis shown as the green areas where the manganese uptake is reduced, a very bad prognostic sign.
EIC Targets is driven by a dedicated team of 5 experts with deep expertise in corporate management, pharmaceutical R&D, clinical development, medical imaging and regulatory affairs. To achieve sustainable growth and to expand our capabilities, we need to onboard specialists in cardiology for clinical development and product launch, business development and market access. The EIC grant will enable us to perform our phase 2b clinical trial in heart failure patients, showing efficacy in comparison to gadolinium-based cardiac imaging. This funding will also support us to meet regulatory milestones necessary for our phase 3 program. Additionally, the EIC equity will fund a large-scale phase 3 trial, paving the way for market access in the EU and subsequently in the US. Without this funding, these key activities could face significant delays, jeopardizing the momentum needed for timely market launch. Securing EIC support is essential to becoming the first to enter the cardiac MRI market with a unique and safe contrast agent for diagnosing and monitoring heart disease.